Okay, so putting LED turn signals, my Royal Star Deluxe, and I put the resistor in it. Didn't work. So to make it flash right, that's a flasher right there. It does a lot of other things. But I took the brown and red. Check it. Like the brown and red, the white and red. Put them to electronic flasher. Flashes just like it's supposed to. Now the other side I haven't done yet. So, but you see it flashes same speed. So what I'm gonna do, that thing controls a lot of other things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the red and brown. Red and brown is very important. It goes on the, let's see, the B, and then the L is where the brown and white goes, because that's the load. I'm gonna put a splice in here and come over to this one. I'm gonna have this wire. I'm gonna put this back in here, but I'm gonna come off of it and come to here. And then everything else that it controls should work, along with this working. So I had a hard time figuring it out. So I just want to make it so everybody else can figure it out.